Hello fellow stackers, 365 here, welcome back to my channel. So today's video marks a very special day in my YouTube stacking journey, and that is because today's date marks 2 years since I started this YouTube channel. So I want to start by saying a massive thank you to everyone that's followed my journey along. It's been a really enjoyable journey. I've made some lifelong friends along the way, and I've also really enjoyed uploading content and filming content for YouTube. Now this is actually my 700th upload as well, so it's really 2 massive milestones today, and that is why I wanted to strip it right back to basics, and I wanted to film a video using the very first setup that I used when I first started my channel. And I also wanted to do a shorter video, a nice short and sweet video explaining the reasons why I invest in precious metals. Now anything I say in today's video is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. This is just what works for me, and this is what I enjoy spending my fiat currency on. So let's get straight into the video and let me explain to you why I convert this stuff into this stuff. Now this is fiat currency, paper currency, cash, whatever you want to call it. This stuff here is being printed out of thin air every single day, every single month, every single year. So if you was to take, say, £50 and put this in your bank or hide it under your pillowcase, and you came back to it in 5 years' time, this would buy a lot less than it can today. And that is because there is so much of this stuff being printed out of thin air. Now the same can't be done with silver, because this has a finite supply. This can't be printed out of thin air. This has to be mined from the ground. So that is the reason why this stuff is going up in value every single year instead of going down in value. Now, if you look at the price charts of silver over, say, the last 20 years, you'll see that it has a very steady upward trend. Now, it does have some ups and downs along the way, but as a kind of long-term trend, you are seeing that this stuff is going up in value over time. Whereas if you have a look at the charts of fiat currency and the spending power of this stuff, you'll see that over a long period of time, not even a long period of time, over a short period of time, this is losing its spending power. If you was to put this away into the bank and just leave it sitting there, in 5 years' time, you're going to be able to buy a lot less than you can buy with this today. Whereas if you was to leave this sitting in your safe over a long period of time, this will be able to buy you a lot more in terms of spending power, because like I said, this stuff is going up in value and this stuff is going down in value. So that is all I wanted to say in today's video. I wanted to keep this video short and sweet. I wanted to strip it right back to basics. I wanted to remind everyone that although picking up precious metals is fun and it is a nice collection when you're going through and working out what your next pickup's going to be, the reality behind picking up precious metals, and the main reason why many of us got into it in the first place, is we wanted to protect our spending power. We wanted to grow our wealth. We wanted to have some generational wealth to be able to pass down to our children and our family when we depart from Earth. And that is the real basics of why most of us got into stacking in the first place. So I'm going to wrap the video up there. I want to say a massive thank you to everyone that's supported my channel from the start. A massive thank you to everyone that's followed my journey along. I really appreciate all the support. I appreciate all the likes, the shares, the comments, and everything that has helped grow my channel to where it is today. I really appreciate it. I've made some, like I said, some lifelong friends in this journey that I've been on, and I look forward to continue to grow my stack and grow my channel and grow the community at the same time. So thanks very much for watching. Thank you very much for all the support, and I hope you all have a very nice day.